Sorry, Gab. Okay, this is my homework. Homework 1, number 3. The homework is from C# book, example 2.1. And the title is Controlling for Labs using C#. This is me, Bro Wicaksono. The goal is to turn on and turn off LED using C#. This is the Windows form. And we have 2 up to 3 widgets. There is 2 type of widgets, text box and then button. The text box widget to identify available communication port via serial port. And we have 3 buttons: connect, let on, and let off. The connect button is used to open the serial port, and the LED on button to turn on for LEDs, and LED off button to turn off for LEDs. That's the code. And this is the hardware that I am using. The first one is Arduino Uno, and for LEDs. I forgot to mention that I also use 4 resistors to limit the current to the LEDs. And for the software, I use Arduino IDE version 2.3.2 without any dependencies or without any libraries. This is the schematics. I draw it using Proteus software. This is the system minimum of Arduino, and this is the LED. LED is connected to digital pin 13, digital pin 13, and 12, and 11, and 10. Okay. And then this is the C# graphical user interface. This is the button. This is the text box, and this one is the label. And I also use one component, that is serial port. And for the code, I will show directly from the screen. Okay, this is the code for switch on, let off. The connect button, it is named as connect 1, and the LED is let on, and the LED off is let off. And this one is the text box one. So when I click the connect button, it's gonna be try to identify try to connect to the serial port, and by the code from the initialization component. This is the string array, and port name is gonna get the port names from the serial port and store it on the port name, and then the number of the port name is gonna be stored in the text box, convert to string like this. And then if we press the LED on, it's gonna write or send the data to Arduino with the character of 1. And if we click the LED off, it's gonna send data 0 to Arduino. And the other component is we have serial port 1 with a baud rate of 9600 with data bits of 8 and parity none. Like that, this is the port name with the stop bits of 1. That's the important parameter properties for the system I/O port serial port. And then we go to Arduino code. This is the Arduino code. Because we has a baud rate of 6,600, so it should be the same, the baud rate. And we define it baud rate as 6,600 also. For LED 1, 2, and 3, and 4 are connected to Arduino pin 13, 12, 11, and 10 respectively. And we also make a variable with char data type, and we have variable incoming option. And then this is the setup. We have to initialize the pin as an input or an output. So we make pin 1. Pin 1 is pin 13, and let pin 2 is pin 12. Let pin 3 is pin 11, and let pin 4 is 10. All those 4 pins initialize as an output. So, and then we also set up a serial begin baud rate, and the baud rate is going to be 6,600. And for loop, we have incoming option. Incoming option is char data type, and this is reading serial port from C# and store it to incoming port variable. This is from the serial read function, and then if incoming value is 0, then turn off LEDs, and if incoming option value is 1, turn on the LEDs. This is using switch case function, and then just like that. And let me show you the video. This is the video. This is the C#, and this is the GUI, and then this is the Arduino connected to 4 LEDs, and then we gonna click connect, and this identified as COM5, and then I'm gonna click the LED on button, and the LED is on. Sorry for the blurry video. And then I click the LED off and LED off. This one is LED on, and then LED off. I try to adjust the monitor to be more clearer to see. And this one, LED on, the LED is on, the 4 LED is on, and LED on, 4 LED is on. Thank you for watching this video, and see you on the next video.